Hi YouTube, Michael's Mobile Detailing again. Today, working in the hot sun, we'll be doing this 15-passenger van. Yeah, so stay tuned. I'll show you my process for an inside and out and a polish of a 15-passenger van. This van is going to auction. And the rubber mats or floor is pretty dirty. Let's see what we got ourselves into. Yeah, she's pretty dirty. Okay, let's get cracking. Let's get things fired up. One pull. Lucky day. Lucky day. What a beautiful thing, huh? I think I've done like 30 of these for this customer. This floor is rubber and it is so dirty I've had a lot of experience cleaning these. This one I'm going to use my degreaser, and I'm going to use a pressure washer inside. It's a very hot, windy day. This should dry in no time, and it's the best chance I got to get rid of this dirt that's embedded into the plastic. I'm using 3D orange, no, not orange, I'm using yellow degreaser. A little bit stronger than the orange, I find. It's the same stuff I used on the tires. Being a rubber floor, same material. Should be able to clean up this dirt in no time. In fact, I can see it already starting to turn brown. It's working already. Need a little bit more air in this thing. She is full. Let's continue on. This car is going to auction. This detail is trying to make it sale ready. I'm not looking for perfection. It's got quite a few miles on it. It's a work passenger truck. I probably had farmers in it or some sort of construction crew. The seats are very dirty, but we're going to bring this up to the next level and so I've washed and dried the outside using O&R. My degreaser has had a long time to dwell inside the vehicle and it's cutting through the floor nicely. Okay. So the greaser's gone. Just have to do the driver's side. I think I might have already got it. Okay, so this is coming along nicely. Inside's done. We're going to do a polish now. Just doing a one step with sealant. Ryobi's Uno Advanced standalone protection and maintenance polish. And no, it doesn't bounce, in case you were wondering. using a Rupes Fine microfiber pad. And that's it for one step, 3 passes. Polishing speed, your arm speed's a little bit quicker than when you're correcting. Look at that, it's like a mirror. And yes, I polish the glass. Why? Because I find with a truck like this, and any vehicle actually, if you run a polisher on a glass or on a window, if you run your polisher on a windshield or any glass for that matter, it comes out amazingly clean, smooth, and shiny. And in this case, my Uno Advanced has ceramic sealant in it, so it's actually putting a hydrophobic layer onto the windows. You can see from this angle, they're super shiny, smooth. My hand and my towel just glide over it. Beauty. Truck. That's it.